time on Old School Monster Life, we're going to do things a little bit different. We actually went out and crewed for a modern team. We went out to Green Bay, Wisconsin, and crewed for Wicked Sickness and Mark Andrew. So we'll get to see what all it takes to put on a modern monster truck show, and turns out it's a lot of the same stuff as the Old School. Just the parts look a little bit different. But for the most part, you'll get to see how a modern show gets put together. And yeah, here it is.
We are in Green Bay, Wisconsin on January 31st. Why? Because apparently Mark doesn't own a calendar or a globe. So here we are, negative 50 wind chill. The hauler froze last night, so we're in here trying to get it warmed up so we can get it out of here. You see Wicked Sickness behind me. We are getting ready to start a 2-day show. One show on Friday, 2 shows on Saturday, and yeah, this is new school life as opposed to old school life. I got news for you. It's not very different. It's the same crap. But we'll get more video as the days go on. We have a motorcycle freestyle crew coming in and setting up. We have tough trucks, all on an indoor arena. So here's the arena. This is a first for me. It's a concrete floor. There's crush cars for that lane. There's crush cars for this lane. And the guys are setting up their freestyle ramp. So, yeah. It's going to be a lot of fun, but it's a lot of work because, as usual, Mark wasn't ready. I don't want to say that out loud, but Mark wasn't ready. But we're getting him ready. So, a few more things left on the check-off list, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Hey, we're here the morning of Friday. I think it's February 1st. Anyway, Tim and Mark showed up last night with their trucks. We're going to have our first cross episode. Dan Agosh with Crush This Monster Truck podcast. He's here, so we're going to talk to him today. But the freestyle guys have their ramp set up. We're still setting the last few cars in the track. Everybody here is getting ready, and looks like we're going to have a pretty good show. Well, we're getting ready for showtime on Friday night. You can see the motocross guys are getting set up on the truck. We set the shocks, we fixed the transcooler, we did an oil change, filled the hubs full of oil. Just a bunch of maintenance. We have a couple little electrical gremlins to take care of, and then this thing will be ready to run. We did fire it up, checked all the fluids, so at least it starts and runs. We know that. We did a radio check. Now it's just a matter of tightening up a couple little last minute details, and we should be ready to go. This is right before the show. The motocross guys are warming up. How cool is that? 2 shows in one. Hey, getting ready for showtime. I had to run back to the hotel and change clothes because I was still working on the truck till late. Had the electrical fan, or the electric fan for the transcooler and radiator wasn't working. Turned out it was bad relay, so we got that fixed. And now everything's lined up for the pit party, and I am gonna walk back to the stadium because we're only about a block and a half. But hey, check this out. I don't know if you can see that in the distance. That's Lambeau Field where the Packers play. Hey, it's day 2, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. How appropriate. It's the same crap over and over again. Pit party for the early show is underway, and we're going to try and get some pretty decent video of both shows. I ran out of memory space on the SD card, so I had to run out and grab another one this morning. But we're going to have some fun today. Hey, I saw somebody famous here, so I just want to show everybody. That's Pete.
Hey everyone, what's going on? This is your new vlog, right?
Yep.
That's cool. Watch it, it's fun. It's fun.
That is the Dan Agag with Crush This Monster Blog.
Happy birthday to you. Nick, happy birthday to you. Let's hear the part, ladies and gentlemen.
That's how you embarrass the trumpet player for Hall Brothers Racing. You have the entire stadium sing happy birthday to him. Thanks, Cheech. That was a great idea. Show's over. We made it. All the wheels stayed on the truck. Everybody's wrapping up. We destroyed the cars completely. There's nothing left of them. But everything's loaded on our truck. I'm ready to get on the road and get the hell out of here. Old school monster life and new school monster life, they're a lot of the same, except I run my program a lot differently.